Ngikhumbula laqhawe lami ngenza i-dissertation laphana e-UKZN. Ngake nganesikhathi la ngangaklikha right ne-supervisor yami. And akujwayelekile-ke mina ukuthi kube khona abantu engingaklikhi nabo. The reason why mfethu ngithi mangisubmit umsebenzi wami ebese yangicorrect usupervisor athi hayi enza kanje. Ngihambe ngokwenza ngendlela besho ngayo. Mase ngithi ngiyasubmita aphinda abuye futhi athi no not kanje, you know. And that thing kept on going kwaze kwafika isikhathi la ngibona ngazuthi cha sengiyasabothajwa ke manje yabo lento le. And it wasn't pleasant at all. You know, and mfethu kwababuhlungu ngalendlela ukuthi I had to escalate lonto no, but ekugcineni mfethu ngithe mase ngiqedile i-dissertation, looking back indlela engisebenze ngayo ne-supervisor ngabona ukuthi I was being helped all along. Now the reason why I'm sharing that mfethu mase sikhuluma ngo-coach mhlampe ko-sport coach, whenever they see you they see 2 points. Babona i-point okulo okuyi-point A ebese bebona i-point ofanele ukuthi ube kulo u-point B. Now between u-A no-B there's this yelling and shouting. And sometimes coach shout ngoba ebona ukuthi wena there's still more that you can do, you know. At times there's blood, sweat and tears. But the reason why all that is happening is not happening because uyazondwa, but lo coach umekubona ubona potential kuwe ukuthi wena you can do better than lokho okutshengisayo njengamanje. Yes. That's what happened to me. When I thought I was giving my best, supervisor could tell ukuthi no ndoda, this is still average. You can still do more. Mathi ngidlula lapho mfethu ngicela ukukhuluma ngama forms of stretching abantu abaningi abalalele njengamanje abazoyithola ukuthi bakuwo. Khona i-forms of stretching engenhle engahlapha icishe ukuthi be-evil, i-hate ne-sabotage. Ilaba bazokunikeza nje mhlawumbe umsebenzi wabantu ababili ngabomu emsebenzini. Uthola ukuthi wenza umsebenzi wabantu ababili and you are battling with it, you know. And uthola ukuthi uNkulunkulu still wants to stretch you on that because your potential will be released endaweni ezibuyo ngazuthi zi-tough and they are difficult. So bakhona abantu abalalele njengamanje, abanye I'm sure bazowasenda ama-voice notes uzosho ukuthi ngake ngenza umsebenzi abantu abawu-2. I thought I was drowning, but God made it happen. Ngithe mangibuka back, I was surprised ukuthi I could handle that pressure, you know. Kwareleaseka i-potential engangazi nokuthi nginayo. Abanye mfethu bawo-businessmen, weza ne-business idea nama-business women, weza ne-business idea engaziwe emphakathini. Uthe nje usuqalile mfethu wayenza, everybody wasiyafika ukukopisha, you know. All of a sudden wonke umuntu usenza leli business ofike nalo. Now you are being stretched to innovate even further. Bayibiza nge-blue ocean strategy. Find izinto ezihlukile manje ozozenza. You are being stretched because you are being moved from endaweni ojwayele, ama-business ideas nama-operations owajwayele. You are being stretched to try something new. Omunye mfethu njengoba sengchazile, you are being stretched to release your true potential. Ukuthi umsebenzi wakho usubmitile, believing ukuthi this is my best work. I-supervisor noma umuntu oyi-senior athi no, this is average. And it's easy for you to think bayakuzonda because usubmite into ongalalanga oyenza ubusuku bonke because usubmitile wathiwa this is average. Kanti wena you know ukuthi yazokuthini, this is my best work. You are being stretched to release i-potential. Sengivala mfethu uqhawe lami, abantu abaningi bavumelane ngalento ukuthi abantu abadala banokustressa ngokuthi when they were younger abayiphilanga impilo zayine risk, baphila impilo ezisafe. Kusho ukuthini lokho? Kusho ukuthi uma uzophila impilo engenayo stretching, impilo kwi-comfort zone, angeke uzuphile kwi-true potential. But for you to live with true potential, allow the stretching to happen in your life. And it's not pleasant. But when you look back, you realize ukuthi akekho umuntu obelwa nawe, but you were being stretched to live at your full potential. God is love.